Hi guys, how are you doing? We are already at city number 10 of our spelling competition. Thank you so much for participating for all of those cities. So let's go with our last city. V E E N. Oh, that was short, but it's not that easy. So once more, noch einmal. V E E N. Yeah, write your answer in the comments, and yeah, I hope to see you in some other projects I want to do. Yeah, just thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for communicating with me. It was really fun to do those videos, and I also hope that I could help you a little bit learning German, learning the German alphabet, learning spelling. Yeah, and please continue learning my mother tongue. Thank you so much. Tschüss.